Welcome! If you want to add a bio to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make your page stand out with a personal touch. Whether you're promoting a business, a brand, or just want to share a little about yourself, adding a bio is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to open a menu. From the menu, select your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page where you can make edits and updates. Once you're on your page, look for the section that says Add Bio. This option is usually located right below your page's name and profile picture. It might also appear as a small button or link, depending on the latest Facebook layout. Click on Add Bio. A text box will pop up where you can type in your bio. This is your chance to introduce yourself, share your mission, or highlight what makes your page unique. Keep it concise and engaging. Remember, you only have a limited number of characters, so make every word count. After you've written your bio and you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button. Your new bio will instantly appear on your page for everyone to see. If you ever want to update it, just repeat these steps and edit your bio as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a bio to your Facebook page using your PC. A great bio can help you connect with your audience and make a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.